All right, we just got these, and let's check them out. The way you get them out of here is you grab this and give that a little squeeze, and then it'll pull right out, just like that. Let's set that back there. And here they are. It's a beautiful box, very nicely put together. Pop it out. Oh, look at here. This is some information. It's got a quick start in it. And you guys can go ahead and read that. That's their contact. But here's your quick start, okay? And it's pretty simple, I do believe. I think we have to start out by charging it. The first time you get it, you've got to pull off those things that protect the contacts. And then you got to plug it in. It's a USB-C, right? Let's go ahead and open it up. And then over here is how to wear them, right? And I think on the other side, it's going to show us how to adjust the volume, okay? And yeah, it looks pretty simple, right? And you can preset a program and switch it around. And that's the QR codes for the application. So anyway, let's go ahead and we'll go through the box and see what we got. Very nicely put together, I must say. Let me get this off of here. All right, so that's that. Oh, wow, look at this. So here they are, right? And on this side, we've got a negative and a positive. So that means we probably can charge them here. This is the charging port. And we've got we've got a little thing where we can hook like a handle to it so that we can carry them. And then let's open them up and look inside. Oh, there they are. All right. So first step is, of course, we've got to pop them out, right? Like that. And we've got to pull this off. See these? These have to come off because those are the contacts. And that's the way we're going to charge it. And then I'm going to set it back in there. That's the right one. Okay, that's the right one. So we got this off of the right one. So let's put that over there. And then let's go ahead and get this one. We got to get this one off of here. Just like that. And then done. All right. So it's kind of showing me that it has a little bit of a charge here. You see that? So that's kind of good, right? You can see it says R and L. So you know that's the right ear, that's the left ear. And they have these little antenna on there because it works off, I guess, a radio frequency. So that's the two hearing aids themselves. Now to charge it, we just plug it in here. So let me see if I've got an extra. So I've got a block over here, and I just have to find a USB-C. All right, so it doesn't come with a charging block. Now it does come with a USB-C inside, but while we're looking at that, we might as well just go ahead and charge it up. Now I've got a giant block that I put them on, and so look, you can see it's oscillating, so it needs a little bit of a charge, not much. We'll set it over here. It's probably got enough on it for us to work with it. Let's pop this out. And then in here, you're going to get a big user's manual, right? And you may want to hang on to that, right? Just in case. If I can get it back in there. And then in here, you're going to find there's this thing you can throw away. This is to keep it dry. But you've got wax. You got a little tool that has a brush on it so you can clean them. You see that? And a little scraper area. Hang on to that. I'm going to push it back down in its holder. Here is your USB-A to USB-C. But I didn't need to use it because I already have one. And then over here is the wax. This is, because you have to change those periodically. And that's a video in itself. This is the wax guards. There seems to be a number of them in there. So let's just set that there. And then down here, it looks like they've kind of moved around a little bit, but we've got some different sizes. And for some reason, they popped off of their perspective holders. You see that? Here they are. There's one over here. So it comes with 4 extra ear things. And you can use the smaller ones or you can use bigger ones, right? So it does come with these extra ear, I don't know what they call them, but they're the things that you put on the end of it that you shove in your ear. And they're made out of some type of plastic, by the way. Let me stick them back on their little things. So yeah, that's how they come, like that. And then these you put on the end of the hearing aid, and then you can, depending on how big your ear holes are, All right, let's put this back on there. All right, so now I think we're all set with that kit. Kind of, you know, there's going to be a learning process that you guys got to go through. Now let's pull our hearing aids over, and you can see we're charging. We're not fully charged, but there is a charge on them. So if I pop them open, and let's go ahead and pull one out and look at it. This is your little antenna, and here's your little thing that you smush on. Those are the contacts where it charges, okay? And that tells you which ear it goes in. So here on here, you can see the two contacts, right? And this is magnetic, watch. It snaps in. Look, if I turn it over, they don't fall out. So that's kind of good, right? Now we're gonna go through how to put them in your ear and how to turn them on. So this is the right one, okay? This is on the right side. You guys see? So I got to get it in my ear, and I want this thing kind of facing down. So I'm going to kind of turn these little contacts up, and then I'm just going to put it in like that. I think we're doing pretty good. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's in. Let me get my left one. All right, left one, right? Let me get my hair out of the way, and I'm just going to push it in. Oh, wow. It's amazing. Okay, so now I've got them. Now, oh yeah. So now I can hear perfectly. Oh my God, they're amazing. They really, really work really well. So anyway, if I want to turn them up or turn them down, I have to go to the case. This one here, I believe, is the right side. So if I want to change the volume on the left side, I would come here. So I could go lower. And I'll hear a beep up here. Yeah, and that drops. If I want to go higher, I'll press that. I hear a beep, 2 beeps. So to go higher, you're going to hear 2 beeps. To go lower, you're going to hear 1 beep. Okay? Now this is the right side. That's the left side. So you need this case to change the volume in these. Okay? I got it plugged in still, so it's charging up though. But yeah, they sound fantastic. I got to tell you, man, they're not bad. I mean, they work pretty good. Now, the question is, how long will they last? I mean, are they going to be lasting for a whole day? That would be cool. All right, so we're going to probably have to make a lot of videos on these because there's, you know, cleaning them and, you know, programming the app on your phone, all that stuff. But we'll do that in other videos. But that's the unboxing. And yeah, I got to say, they work fantastic. Highly recommend. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll pop them out of our ears. Here's my right one. So I'm going to put it right in here. You notice it just kind of snaps in there. You got to make sure you get it in though. Because I don't think I got it all the way. Yeah, there it is. So I got to make sure I get it in right. Okay, I think it's in. Let's go ahead and get the left one out of my ear. Here's the left one. And this one's going to go right in there like that. And bam. Bob is, I'm not sure about this one here. Is it in there? I think it is. Okay, and then we just shut it and let them charge. And bam, we've got them done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and get these things. They're awesome. Peace out.